Ever found yourself stuck without a proper way to handle waste on the go? Imagine having a reliable, easy-to-use solution that keeps things clean and odor-free, no matter where you are. Our 12-pack waste disposal kits offer exactly that, giving you peace of mind when nature calls away from home. Each kit is thoughtfully packed with a waste bag, a poo powder gelling and deodorizing agent, a secure puncture-resistant zip-close disposal bag, individual toilet paper, and a handy wipe. What sets our product apart is the 32-ounce capacity, 40% more than many competitors, meaning you get a multiple-use bag that gels up to a full quart of waste. The powder inside activates when it meets moisture, so a quick splash or even a small amount of liquid triggers the treatment process to lock in odors and solidify waste. Users across the U.S. appreciate how practical and efficient these kits are. One top reviewer pointed out that adding a little moisture right at the start helps the powder work faster. They also recommend not overfilling the bag. Changing it when it's about 30% to 50% full prevents leaks or tears during disposal. This simple tip keeps your experience hassle-free and clean from start to finish. If you're someone who spends time outdoors, travels frequently, or simply wants a hygienic backup option, these kits deliver what you need. The compact design and all-in-one contents make them easy to carry and use whenever necessary. No more worrying about where or how to dispose of waste discreetly. Worth a look if you value convenience and cleanliness on the move. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your travel essentials or emergency kit. With this 12-pack, you're equipped for multiple uses, ensuring you stay fresh and comfortable no matter the situation.